Welcome again. Last time, in last episode, I was discussing water scarcity. Still, the topic is on, and that scarcity is increasing. The level of the underground water is going down and down. Our water table is sinking. When I talk about the water table, sometimes question arises कि ये वाटर टेबल होती क्या है, ये क्यों डाउन जा रही है. It is in simple word, if I say, the level of underground water is called water table. Previously it was sinking on the yearly basis. Now the exploitation of the underground water is so much that it is sinking not on the yearly basis but on the daily basis also. Now the question arises, we have to maintain our water table also. And the over exploitation of this underground water causes ecological crisis, will cause ecological crisis that may have impact on our daily lives also. Now this is the main thing. It is going to affect in all aspects of life. For this, now one scheme has been started, which I am telling, to deal with the scarcity of the water, which is the nation is going to face, states are going to face. What we are doing. Now a new scheme has been introduced that is called JJM. Now the question arises, okay, what is JJM? It's very simple. It is Jal Jeevan. It is called Jal Jeevan Mission. Jal Jeevan Mission, which is started in 2019. The goal of JJM is to enable every rural household to get assured supply of potable piped water. Remember, potable piped water. Potable means the water which can be used for domestic irrigation and any purpose. Potable water, piped water to every village. Supply up to the potable water of. Now listen, at least how much potable water we have to give to every village, to every person, to every house. It means in a simple words, the tap water to every house. And it should be minimum, that is called supply up to potable water, minimum 55 liters per capita per day, regularly. It is the minimum requirement. One should get tap water's connection in every house. It means that is the mission of JJM. Now the question arises, why the potable water particularly, this connection is needed. Why it is so? Because small rivers, the river water, it's also groundwater, but the small rivers have all turned into toxic streams, useless. Or even the big rivers are not so pure. Even the Ganga and Jamuna also not so pure. As far as the Jamuna is concerned, I have already told, Jamuna river in Delhi, it's a Jamuna sewer, not river. Now question is this, often some thinkers, some philosophers call Jamuna river as a Swargvasi Jamuna river. Now listen, then the question arises, now what we should do? Because the need of the need of the hour is to conserve and to manage our water resources. That's the urgent need. Either we conserve it. For conservation, we have to go to manage water resources. To save ourselves, why we should conserve and manage? For conservation, we have to manage. Why? To save ourselves. It's a beautiful sentence. From health hazards because of the water, impure water. Health hazards to ensure our food security in the future. Food security is a beautiful term. What do you mean by the food security? We will discuss in the agriculture also. Food security means secure food for the future. To maintain our food security, also we have to manage water resources. To continue our livelihood, these two things are essential. ताकि हमारा जीवन चलता रहे. खाली जीवन चलने से काम नहीं चलेगा. Livelihood and our productive activities should be also continued. That is why we have to save water resources. That is why we have to save, conserve. For conservation, we have to manage. Why we have to manage? These are the causes. So that our life continue. Not only continue, but to engage in productive activities also. And these activities are possible. Enough water supply we have. Enough water resources we have, which will last up to the future also. Now one thing more, and we have to, for what else we have to do? We have to reduce the wastage of the water also. That's the main thing. And to prevent degradation of our natural ecosystem. Now, the problem is this. Our degradation of our natural ecosystem. I have already told that this ecosystem is just like a rosary. All the elements of ecosystems are interdependent. If one of the bead of the rosary disturbed, whole of the rosary going to be disturbed. That's the problem. Our natural ecosystem is going to be disturbed, degraded, and we can prevent it by conserving water resources, by management of the water resources. That's an essential topic. So this is what the importance of the water resources. Now we have to maintain our water table. We have to maintain our water table, and we have to save our existing water resources so that to last our activities up to in the future also. In future, we have to maintain our livelihood also and productive activities also to carry on. That is the importance. Why we need the conservation and the management of water resources. Conservation means to save the water resources. To manage the water resources means to utilize in such a way that it can last for a long time. Maximum management means maximum return from the minimum use, so that it continue up to the so many years, up to the futures also. This is the main thing. The problem is this, but our water resources are being disturbed. I have already told, and I am telling one thing again also, due to over-exploitation. And the over-exploitation and to mismanagement of the water resources. And for this purpose, we have to conserve also, we have to manage the water resources also, and how to manage that in the next topic.